Here's the close-up on this piece. I did a silver background, Payne's gray, light blue gray, white, phthalo cyanine blue, I used just paint and water and a little bit of Floetrol in the silver, but not the other colors because I ran out, so. Blue's my favorite color, so I really like this. Let me know if you guys liked it with a thumbs up. Some really cool cells, and I didn't use any silicone or pouring medium except for just a smidge of Floetrol in the silver. But the rest of the colors I just used water. And I made them pretty thin. So I think it looks cool. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. And subscribe for more videos. And I can't wait to make the next 12 by 12. Here, I think I'll try a ring pour. I've never done a ring pour before. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try a ring pour on this, and then I might also just try a flip cup or a straight pour. And I might leave the same colors or mix them up just a smidge. All right, thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in another one. Bye.